The industry that I'm concentrating on when looking at the strategic inflection point is the domestic petroleum industry. There was a unanticipated fall in demand for oil. It was a much slower than anticipated demand for oil from developed countries such as China, Brazil, Russia, and other commodity dependent countries. This has led to the oversupply of oil in the world market, and there was a plunge in the prices from since the mid 2014 year. The challenge faced by drilling companies right now is how to remain profitable despite this fall in the demand for oil, and how to gain access to other markets for the petroleum production through this unanticipated fall in demand. Now, just as any inflection point, there are opportunities and there are difficulties. The difficulty, as I just stated, is finding markets for petroleum products. The opportunity is replacing oil with the production of natural gas. And this opportunity can be seen specifically by US producers. Because of hydraulic fracturing, oil rigs can drill for natural gas at a much more cost-effective manner than before. Now, natural gas has high demand, have markets that has high demand for it. These markets, such as Asia and Europe, have high demand for natural gas. And natural gas, once liquefied, can be transported and exported to these markets. It is anticipated that the natural gas market is going to grow at 20% by 2020. Now, natural gas is anticipated also to replace coal soon. For instance, in 2010, natural oil accounted for 44% of fuel that was used on power plants, and this number has dropped to 30%, whereas natural gas in 2010 accounted for 22% of fuel for power plants, and this number has since then risen to 31% in the same period. Lastly, another factor that helps the opportunity for natural gas, invested in natural gas, is that there are a lot of capital investments in infrastructure development on pipelines and different facilities that would aid the transportation of liquefied natural gas. So because of existing markets, because of a cost-effective way to produce natural gas, to drill natural gas because of fracking, and also because of existing and also infrastructure that is going to be in place soon, these are all opportunities that petroleum producing companies can delve into, rather than only invest in oil, where the oil industry is at a strategic inflection point right now.